We love to be a part of people's milestone moments. To be a part of people's lives and be a part of this community is one of the most special things that happens to us. We have some clients who we've now known for 3 and 4 generations, and that's a really cool thing about being a local family-owned jeweler. We believe that jewelry is a trust-based business. Jewelers need to be transparent, honest, accurate, and really educate our clients about what they have and the true market values. Building trust in our community is really important to us. We're really proud of our reputation, both in the community and online. And I think that part of that not only is our customer service, but it's the quantity of services that we're able to offer our clients. We have figured out a way to offer antique and estate jewelry, colored gemstones, diamonds, engagement rings and wedding bands, all under one roof. And that's something that really matters to us. We look at ourselves as an old school family jeweler. We can be there for you when you're looking for that anniversary gift or you need a complex repair. We are that source of expert knowledge. Our staff are GIA trained, and everybody brings a different area of knowledge and passion to the business. We also make sure that we offer a high quality product and that we match our pricing to the market. We have products in almost every price point, flexible payment options. We take in trades from people who have old jewelry or old gold that they're not using. We're happy to provide free estimates. We really stand behind our pricing. We know the miners, we know the lapidaries, and we buy directly from them. So we really know from mine to market where our gemstones are coming from, where our gold is coming from, and with our antique and estate jewelry, we try to know the provenance of those items. We respect the fact that a jewelry purchase may be one of the largest, if not the largest transaction some of our clients have made, and we don't take that lightly. Fitting the product to the person is probably the most important message I give a client shopping for an item. It's not a matter of just, is this ring pretty? It's, is this ring pretty? Will it meet your needs? And is it going to be a good long-term value for you? We've built this team of employees over the last 40 years to be a source of expertise, but also of transparency and honesty. Whether it be a milestone gift, a custom design, or a repair, we're the one-stop shop for all things jewelry. We've been offering that right here in Federal Way for almost 70 years, and we're happy to continue doing so. If you're looking for a trustworthy jewelry experience and experts who will care about you and your family for generations to come, reach out to Federal Way Custom Jewelers.